Hello everyone, welcome to Trade. Today we're going to be seeing the trade analysis for 30th September and the month and monthly expiry Thursday. I have the Banknifty 15 minutes chart open. Today was a pretty good day. If somebody caught this move in the morning, that is entered long at 37,300, just as I'd planned in my trade plan as my view that we would hit until the CPR and cover this gap. I'll just play a small clip so you can have a check on that.
Hit a gap down, okay, somewhere between the CPR and this, wait for a dip until this S1 or previous day low and see if this low holds. If this low holds, yeah, we could see a good move on the upside.
See, just as I mentioned in my 29 September analysis video, we got a move upside, but it was very choppy. It was not a good trade for options. We would have seen the PNL being in minus, and it was not a pretty good trade for buying options. But in case if you bought futures, yeah, you would have made about $500 profit, like 500 points. Almost for one lot, it would be 10,000 rupees flat. So this was a good trade today, but I failed to capitalize because I logged in late. By the time I logged in, we were already near the CPR, so there was no point in going long further. And also was waiting for this trend line to break for the day, but it came only at 3 o'clock, so just avoided the trading for the day. Now coming for tomorrow, I want to make use of this trend line that I'm drawing. Just keep this marked. We might see a possible retest and then go down. That is one possibility. Like say tomorrow at some time, depending on the gap up or gap down, we might retest this and go lower. This is also one possibility. The other possibilities, there's another big trend line where we have taken support twice. That is this. Like see, we have taken, starting from here, we have taken a support here and here today, twice. So there is a possibility we can come take support, but the third time, there's even a possibility it might even break. If it breaks, there's a immediate support at, this should be a very quick scalp. In case the trend line breaks, the very good support is at 37,300, where we have bounced twice, right? Yesterday and today. So if we come here, we can book up profits. There we might see a bounce again. In case this level breaks, this entire region of 37,300, this line that I plotted and the previous day low, if that breaks, yeah, we could see lower levels. I do have a feeling still we might fill this gap. If not tomorrow, Friday or so. And in case we get a gap up, a good buy would be, because see, even in the last, before the market closed, there was some selling pressure. So this is again some kind of sign for a bearishness in the market. So just until we get a good close above this previous day high, right? Probably I would not think of buying any calls for tomorrow. That is on the that is in case if we get a gap up. Let's just look at the global markets. See, the Dow Jones is pretty flat. It just opened, so it can change overnight. They have like 6 hours of trading left. The European market is in green. That is okay. And our SGX Nifty, let me just refresh. It is still showing minus 44. It's showing a gap down of 44 points. So as of now, at about 7 o'clock, we're looking at 7 p.m. Indian time. We're looking at a gap down in Nifty and Banknifty, but this can change overnight, right? And until tomorrow morning, time is there for it to change. So as of now, looking at the gap down, yeah, we could be opening somewhere between the CPR and the S1 previous day low. So there are a couple of things. If this trend line breaks, I would take a quick scalp until here, and if this level breaks, yeah, we can see further levels. Let's just look at the open interest. See, 38,000 has huge open interest on the call side. So I don't think even today 38,000 got added. So I don't think 38,000 breaking tomorrow is a possibility. 38,000 is coming at R1. So I don't think 38,000 breaking is a possibility tomorrow based on the open interest. But this can change. Some good news, something comes. We can have short covering of this strike price. But just as of now, the resistance is at 38,000 and a good support at 35,000. So most likely the expiry will be in between this 38,000 and 37,500. Now where is 37,500? See, 37,500, yeah, it's pretty much coming in this level. So in case we break this trend line, this S1 and 37,500, yeah, then we can see a good move on the downside. If in case these put sellers start exiting. So this is my trade possibility for tomorrow, Thursday. Let's see how it goes. But my personal view is down. So I'll be looking for a short trade. If I can get it at the right place, that would be good. Let's just check Nifty. Nifty also today bounced from this support line that we had drawn. See why this marking these lines is important. See how beautifully we reversed from so many times. We have taken resistance here, and today and yesterday this level acted as support. So we bounced from there and we did hit the CPR level. And again Nifty, while closing, it has given a pretty bearish sign. In the last 15 minutes like this, a big selling comes, most likely the market next day will be bearish, just from my experience. But nowadays market is making violent moves, right? We'll never know. We cannot just count only on the closing. See again Nifty, we can trade in this range. A good support is over here, 17,600. If this is taken out, the immediate target is 17,530, and the lower target would be S3, 17,400. And for any trade on the upside, probably, yeah, this level should be taken out. Only then we can see further levels on the upside, that is 17,770. See, we have taken resistance yesterday and today. So there is a chance we might break it, or again we might reverse from here. So at these points we need to be very careful. And the best entry for tomorrow Thursday is, right, the best entry would be have the CPR indicator added. If anybody is new and watching, you can just type CPR in TradingView, or CPR is only available in TradingView. Just add any one of the daily CPR indicators and see if you can take a short or go long only at a CPR level, or at the see if you can go short long either at R1, S1 or at the CPR level. That would really be a profitable trade for options, then randomly entering in between. See here we already have two resistance. So in case we get a bearish candle tomorrow at this level, it's a good shot, right? It supports our argument. Let's look at the open interest for Nifty. See, Nifty, there's a good support at 17,600, pretty much the same level where we have this line. Even today we bounced, that is over here, this green line. There's a good support here, even based on the open interest. And the only resistance is coming in at 17,800. Good resistance is 17,800. Yeah, again 17,800 is in this level. So looking at the open interest for Nifty and Banknifty, we could be in this range again tomorrow for the expiry. Even for Banknifty, this is the Banknifty chart, we could be in this range between 17,500 and 38,000. If we comfortably break out of this range or break below 17,035, then we might get a good move on the other side. So this is my plan for tomorrow. Hope it helps. Today plan worked beautifully, but we weren't able to take a trade on it as I logged in late. So let's see how it goes tomorrow. I'll be trying to take quick scalps as it is expiry. Sorry, I just want to keep this line also marked. Okay, and in the YouTube page, you'll have you have all the links to my Instagram, Facebook and Twitter account. Please go and follow us there. I'll be posting these charts on Twitter and Instagram, so you can use it as a reference. And during the trades, I'll be sharing some live trades on Twitter as well. So please go and follow us there. It'll be helpful. Thank you for watching, and please do like this video.